Hi, welcome. In last lecture, we have studied heat of reaction or enthalpy of reaction. In today's lecture, we will discuss heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Now see, heat of formation is one of the type of heat of reaction, and this heat of formation of a compound is defined as the change in enthalpy that takes place when 1 mole of the compound is formed from its elements. Okay, so this is the definition of heat of formation. I request all students to listen each word carefully because it will be useful to you to understand the concept clearly. So this is the definition of heat of formation, the change in enthalpy that takes place when 1 mole of the compound is formed from its elements. For example, see, in this reaction, the FeS solid is a compound which is formed from its elements Fe solid plus sulfur solid, and in this reaction that delta HF, it is a heat of formation, is equal to minus 24.0 kilocalorie. So what it suggests us? It suggests us that there is a negative sign, therefore heat is evolved in this reaction. And how much heat is evolved? 24.0 kilocalorie. So in this reaction, delta HF, which is a heat of formation, is equal to minus 24.0 kilocalorie, and according to definition, this is change in enthalpy. When it takes place, when the 1 mole of the compound, the 1 mole is important here because in this reaction, see, the 1 mole of FeS solid is formed from its elements Fe solid plus sulfur solid. So for this reaction, this is a heat of formation. Now consider second reaction. Again in this second reaction, that C2H2 gaseous, again 1 mole of the compound is formed from its elements. Which elements are there? 2 carbon, which is in solid state, and H2, which is in gaseous state. So a 1 mole of C2H2 gas is formed, and for this reaction delta HF is equal to plus 53.14 kilocalorie. Now here plus sign, it suggests us that heat is absorbed. In this reaction, heat is absorbed, therefore heat of formation delta HF is equal to plus 53.14 kilocalorie. So this is about the definition of heat of formation. Now see another reaction. Suppose the reaction between H2 gas plus Cl2 gas. Now in this reaction, 2 moles of HCl gas are formed. There is only 1 mole, but there are now 2 moles. In previous reactions, in both reactions, there were formation of only 1 mole, but in this reaction 2 moles are formed. Therefore here delta H, here it is not delta HF, it is only delta H is equal to minus 44.0 kilocalorie. Now see why it is only delta H. Delta H is a heat of reaction, it is not a heat of formation. When heat of formation is there, whenever there is a formation of only 1 mole, then there is a delta HF. Now if we want to determine delta HF for this reaction, we have to divide it by 2. So we have delta H is equal to minus 44.0 kilocalorie. When we divide it by 2, we get amount minus 22.0 kilocalorie. So that answer is for 1 mole of HCl gas. So when we write, we have to write 1/2 H2 gas plus 1/2 Cl2 gas. It gives us HCl gas, and delta HF is equal to minus 22.0 kilocalorie. So I hope you understand what is this actual concept of heat of formation. Now next point is standard heat of formation. So we have discussed it in a previous lectures that when standard word comes, there comes temperature 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmospheric. So standard heat of formation is nothing but the change in enthalpy that takes place when 1 mole of a compound is formed from its elements, but all substances being in their standard states. It means that they should have or they must have temperature 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmospheric. So this is the definition of standard heat of formation, and this table gives us some values of a standard heat of formation. So water in gaseous state, water in liquid state, wherever there is a negative sign, it suggests that heat is evolved, and where there is a positive sign, it suggests that heat is absorbed. So this is about the heat of formation. In next lecture we will see the importance of heat of formation and the problems based on that point. Thank you.